Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Rogue black screen if it happens to you as well. Whenever you try to start the game starts but the screen goes blank, completely black, and then return back to this. So all you have to do is update your game. Check for it, and if there is an update, update it. I had a 21 MB update and I updated it, and finally the game has started working really well. So I hope this helps and you can play this game as well, hopefully. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel Gamer11. I hope it helps you. Subscribe.